Hi guys, so it's been a while. It's been a while since I made any form of video. This is I'm about to create a new series. This is going to be the first video in the Taaskly series. The Taaskly series is basically a weekly update series that will be dropped every Saturday or Sunday that involves the progress I've made on Taaskly. Taaskly is a lot of things, and hopefully with this series I can like explain what Taaskly is and the purpose of it, why I started it, and the futures. So this first episode is meant to serve two things. First is to explain the site builder, and secondly, to go through the site builder basically. Let me stop rambling because I'm not going to edit this. I do not have the strength. So when we started tax, the initially it was to post tax. That's why the name is like that. So people would come and could post tax. They could open and close the tax and whatnot, right? But well, we got this very weird behavior where people, instead of posting tax, they started to post their businesses basically. So renter, blah blah blah. So they started to like paste their businesses. And we asked them what was happening, and we discovered a lot of businesses in their visibility, especially those ones with like single business owners that are just starting out. They needed more visibility, they did not have much money. So we said, all right, we get you more visibility, right? They wanted to make more sales. So we created shops and services because we divided the people that are posting on tax to shops and services. And we told them, instead of listing your services here, why don't you just come to shops and services and like post it here, right? So yeah, they did that exactly. Although the service still has like a lot to go, tax itself still has a lot to go. So yeah, we got about we got about how many 173 shops to sign up, spanning everywhere from every state in Nigeria, basically, from the north to the east to the south to the west. Um, and then they said they needed more things like to be able to like sell, provide discounts, stuff like that. So we built them, right? We built those services. So the more they needed, this more services they needed, the more we built. But one of the most requested features they wanted is that they do not want taxes branding. They wanted to start their own business. They wanted it to be custom to their own colors, to their own theme. That was probably one of their most requested features. All right, and we said sure we can do that. We can do that. And the idea has always been with me, and it was exciting. Like it was something I wanted to like always do because I in the past I've built like website builders like code then if we check code then I built a lot of website builders, stuff like this now. There were things I've built in the past, they were like exciting and whatnot. So I was like, sure, I can do that. I was going to build a website builder that would solve two things, right? These locals. The website builder was to all these businesses, all these shops that we have here. The website builder was to allow them to have their own custom sites. So it's like a code pen and a code pen and a drag and drop website builder. So you come to the site and you create components. Then once you've created components, you drag and drop these components into a frame, right? And based on that, you build a whole site, right? And then you can declare variables, you can declare CSS variables, JavaScript variables, and whatnot, and just go wide with it. Although that's like the idea, you can basically create anything from a website to a link in bio to forms to blogs to online stores, right? So this is like 0.0001 version of this because it's still very early, and even the website has not been done yet. This is just something I put together very quickly. But for developers, I decided to like tax. The main tax is closed source, right? I did not want this to be closed source. I believed that developers would be able to like contribute more and use it more if it was open source. So this website builder, it's open source. Hopefully at the time of this video, release of this video, it's would be open source already. There's a community. I would post the link in the bio and whatnot. So to join the community and everything. So let's just go through a very simple flow. So I already have like examples already. This is not my portfolio site. This is just something I wanted to create. So yeah, you can come and you can create components. You can create components like this. You can view your components. When you save a component, a screenshot of the iframe is taken. Obviously, it's not doing it properly because it's very weird. But a screenshot of the iframe is taken, and that's what is displayed in the image. But here, this component allows you to like click on it based on this JavaScript function, this CSS, and this simple HTML. Then we have this where you can create. Basically, you can create any component. Let me just show you an example. Test components. This is a test. See, we have bugs like this that are weird. Like the state not resetting properly. Let me use this. Let's use this. Let me create this component. It says it's invalid HTML, but we'll see. Remove the JS. I don't think there's any need for the CSS. It says it's tailwind. Okay. And so on, I save this. This component has been saved as test. You can see the components here. So I can go to pages now and can create test page. This is a test page. I probably should do a demo. And yeah, I can click on tests. And yeah, you have your components. There you have it, your components mounted. Now you can preview this. I've not implemented like the redirects link and whatnot. Start building the next great idea tomorrow. Because procrastinate as always. So yeah, and then you can link this and do some other crazy stuff. But for now, all of those features are coming soon. But since it's open source, you can contribute and whatnot. But I'll be contributing with this mainly most when I have free time, because I have to like go and continue building Taaskly, the main Taaskly, which is closed source. But the open source software allows you to do so much cool things that yeah. Well, that's. So yeah, so what's next? Now that I've built this, start building a community around the site builder. Build a community around the site builder. Work on the main Taaskly. Create APIs from the main Taaskly so that businesses will be able to use main Taaskly here, and they'll be able to maintain their shops, their products, their orders, their customers, categories, stuff like that through an API. The site builder would be able to call these APIs and build very custom experience, basically ranging from anything they can think of. If they want this, if they want this, if they want another hero, they can do that. They can preview the JS and CSS. The CSS is not nested, but the JS is nested. So when I'm clicking on this, even though these two are literally the same components, they are not changing because I'm nesting the JS within the components. This gave me a lot of sleepless nights. I remember staying up to like 5 yesterday trying to figure out a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Even today, what's the time now? It's 6. So for almost 24 hours, I was working on this. But yeah, finally got it to work. So that's the gist. I'll do a product demo for specifically the sites, a much shorter video. But this is, yeah, this is the update tab for this series. There anything else I want to say? I do not think so, but expect lots of crazy things coming your way from the site builder and the main application. Also, exchange rates is like going very crazy, and people are worried. They have the right to be, but yeah, let's see how things goes. Because as I was saying, most taxes expenses are like in dollars, and we work in naira, so it kind of sucks. But we move. So that's all I have for you guys. Till next time. Bye.